Now let's learn our division facts for the 9 times table. 0 divided by 9 is 0. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 18 divided by 9 is 2, because if we have 18 counters, we can make 2 groups of 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 63 divided by 9 is 7. 72 divided by 9 is 8. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 90 divided by 9 is 10. 99 divided by 9 is 11. And 108 divided by 9 is 12.